Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Honda Passport Elite in gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90826B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.